So once again, a tornado warning in effect for Fountain County, Northern Park County, Northern Vermilion County, and southwestern Orange County until 8:15 Eastern Time. Also, a tornado warning continues.
Approximately 9 miles to the west of the storm. We can see the updraft. We don't see the storm cloud yet, or even a funnel. We had a report of a funnel down. We're currently not experiencing any hail, but there have been reports that hail is on the ground.